Okay, 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 okay. Ah, salamatan natin ng Grindahan team, no? Grindahan team, they just had their first Pinoy Ketovore Summit kahapon, no? Pretty much like I seem to remember yung year-end party ng LCIF, no? Dati, yung kada taon, parang ganon, no? Parang ganon yung Pinoy Ketovore Summit na ginawa ng Grindahan team. Congratulations, no, sa inyong successful year-end party, anniversary party, or whatever it's called. No? Congratulations, and maraming salamat sa chopping board. Excuse me. Whoa. At the moment, I have keto flu, no? So anyway, maraming salamat sa, what do you call this? Plaque of appreciation that you guys gave me. Okay? For recognizing yung LCIF. So maraming salamat. And what else? I do hope that you guys become more successful and be able to help, no, more people, no. Yung dating advocacy ng LCIF, yung dating movement ng LCIF, you guys now, no, kayo na, no, ang naghahawak ng mantel na yan. So I wish you all the best, no. Again, thank you, and more power sa inyo.